Alright. Hi you guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel, and on this video I am going to be sharing with you guys some cool tricks and tips that I know to use as a new YouTuber. So if you're a new YouTuber and a small YouTuber, this video is for you. So keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm basically, well, before I get into the video, if you're new, my name is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to thumb up this video first if you're a new subscriber. Even if you're not, welcome back. Go ahead and thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell to make sure that you're notified every time your girl upload a video. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys a few frequently asked questions that I get about some of my YouTube videos questions that people ask me about certain things or certain imports that I put and have on my channel. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. So this video is gonna kind of be different only because I have to film from two different cameras. I'm a type of person, if I can't go by you just telling me, I actually have to see it. And unfortunately, I won't be able to watch myself on a monitor because I would actually have to use the computer to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna take this movie right here, and I only want to take like a small session of it. I don't want to take like a whole long minute. So what I'm gonna do, by the way, this is a makeup video. I never upload it because, girl, it was, I don't know. I don't know why I didn't upload. It was too long. Too much was going on. Okay, so anywho, this is how I get the green screen. I hope you guys can see this very clear on here. So this is how I get the green screen. What I would do is you would upload or import whatever video that you have, and then you will open up your browser, and I use a site that's called wait, where is it? Right there. GiftCat, however you say that. Maybe I'm not saying it right or whatever, but that's what I use. So I will click on this, go to this site, type in subscribe button. You will actually go down to the one that you want to click on. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the one with the bell. Since I have the one with the bell, I'm gonna go ahead and do the one with the bell. So you're gonna click on the link. You see how it has like a little chain right here at the bottom to where you can click. You want to click that. What that is doing is just gonna copy. So it shows that it's copied. So now you want to, now you want to go up here to upload. You're gonna click on upload. Once you click on upload, you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna copy and paste. Now, however you copy and paste on your computer, you just copy and paste. I know on the Apple computer, you're gonna hit Command and V, and then it's gonna paste it. So you're gonna choose to upload that file, and it's uploading the file now. It's not gonna automatically upload into your pictures or anything. So as soon as that pops up, you could just hit cancel. And once again, this is only for the computers that's Apple, or if you're using your phone or however it is. I mean, you could do the same thing, but so after you do that, you want to go back to your movie maker, make this screen small, And then you're going to give yourself, you're going to move this screen around to give yourself enough room to, once you copy that, let me see if I can, because I need both hands. After you copy that, you're going to hold down, and you see how I'm taking this out. So I'm taking this and I'm putting it, sliding it right on my desktop and dropping it. So I dropped that whole little thing right there on my desktop. You see that? It's right there on my desktop now. So after I do that, you're done. You're going to open back up Movie Maker. Alright, so after you have that on your desktop, what you're going to do is open back up Movie Maker. And then you're going to go to the little arrow at the top where you upload stuff, like import your stuff. And you're going to click on desktop. So once you click on desktop, it's going to show you everything that you actually already have on your desktop pretty much. I think this one is, yeah, this is the subscribe button that we put on the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and import that. So now that I have that imported, what I want to do is click on what area I want this to be at. Now this is not going to be in sequence, obviously, because I didn't click on a clip that with me telling you guys to make sure you upload, because I'm just pretty much not upload, but to make sure you guys subscribe, because I'm just pretty much showing you guys how I do it. So I will just put this wherever, say this is the part where I was saying make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Now you see, if you just put it on top and go through it, it's gonna throw it off. By it being a green screen, you will then go up here, click on this box that says video overlay settings. Click on, sorry if you couldn't see that. So I clicked on this that says video overlay settings, and then you're gonna click on the drop down and you're gonna go to green screen / blue screen. So then you're gonna go back here, zoom out, zoom all the way out. Okay, then you're gonna go back and you can see if you go over your video, now it's green screen. The green screen is completely out and yours is over it. So that is how you do the overlay. Now, all you have to do once you have that overlay is set up like where you say it, and you can make it, you can drag it to make it longer. Well, sorry, lies. You cannot drag it to make it longer. Now that way, you can pull this, like click on it and pull it to where you said, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel or whatever. If you're new, welcome, subscribe, click the bell, whatever. Whenever you say it, you could drag it on to that part. Now, another extra little feature that I like to add when I do that is like maybe sparkles or sound effects. So when I add on the sound effects, I go back to my audio, and when I do this, I actually download, you can go to Google and just type in, it takes a while because you really have to find something free. So I'm honestly just going to grab something that I already have. I'm not going to go through and search anything. So I'm just going to go to the mouse click. What you're going to do is you're going to Google and search mouse click sounds and literally type in, see, mine is already on there. So I typed in mouse click sound effect MP3 or whatever. Stuff will stop popping up. What I just do, I randomly go, I like this word, boom, you know? So I'll click here. Once I click there, I go down, and then it'll give you an option to listen to whichever clicks you want, how you want that click to sound, if you want it twice, whatever. So after you hear, okay, we're done with that. After you hear what you want to hear, you got the click that you want, you would just then go ahead and download. I'm not going to download it again because I already have it. So I'm going to just close out that page. So once you get to the import page, you're going to import that selection. Now that is also up here in your movie screen. So now you're going to take that and bring it down. I hope y'all like, okay, so you're gonna take this and bring it down over this. Now you got to see which part it clicks on. So I'm gonna play a little bit of this. Now gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. Okay, so I hit the pause button right there because that's when the finger is going up. Well, the hand is going up to click it. I'm so sorry for this bad angle, you guys. You have to really bear with me. Okay, so now that you have the sound, you saw where it clicked at, so you stopped it right there. Now that's where you want your sound, the click part, to start at. So you're gonna go to wherever that part was. So now you just have to go back and listen. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. Okay, so you see, like, I had it right on. Now it's clicking towards the bell. It's going towards the bell. I do have a bell sound. If you want to do like a bing bing, whatever type of bell, you'll do the same thing. Google bell sound. I wanted more of like a boxing ring bell sound, so that's what I looked up. A boxing ring bell sound. So I clicked that, and that one also came up. So now, yep. So now what I'm gonna do is play this little piece again and see when my bell is gonna click on. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna hit pause because this is where I want the bell sound to go. So I'm gonna take this and drag this right where I want it to go. And that's that. Now I'm a little extra, so I like to add like little sparkles or whatever to mine as well. So what I do for that part, I go to titles, and in a title section, I'll just keep clicking down. It has, you can either do this one. I don't think it has like much of, you could do the sparkle one, or you could just do this one. I like this one. So I'll take this and put this on top. And this one you can actually drag it out. You have to make sure it's highlighted. Drag it out to whenever it stops. For the title, I don't put anything because I don't want any words. I just want the sparkle effect on it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and play out this part, and you guys will see. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow, and I was gonna use that. I guess I can. Now, after you add the title part, you want to go back in and make sure it's highlighted to click on it so you can erase where it says title or whatever it tells you to type, because it's basically trying to tell you to type something, but I just want to use it for the sparkle, so I want to keep that clear. Like, I don't want to type anything, just leave it blank. So now we're going to click on the whole video and see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow, and I was gonna use that. All right, you guys, so that was my video for that. I hope I explained everything pretty well for you guys. I kind of kept it simple. So if you're a new YouTuber and you want to know how to do things like that, I hope you can go back and do that, and you know, have a new feature. I will also link and let you guys know as far as my trailer that I have. I didn't do that one personally myself. I actually got that done, but I know I would link her information down below, and I will also link you to another YouTuber page that she does the, you know, if you want to do the whole channel art and everything. I will hook you guys up. I will have extra links down below for that. But let's go ahead and start a conversation. So if you're new, make sure you comment, new subbie, new subscriber, or hi, I just joined your channel. And once I see that you comment, I will also go to your channel, subscribe to you, and I'll leave a comment and let you know that I've subscribed to your channel. And let's all support one another. Let's help each other. We're here to build each other, not tear each other down, help each other out. So if you know some cool tricks or some new clips and things that I can use that I didn't show you here, a different way, or easier way, or something a little more fancier or whatever, please feel free to comment below and let me know, and I will definitely check that out. Let's start, you know. And once again, for the little video that we did, I'm gonna insert it again on this part. Once again, if you're new, welcome. My name is Erica. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on that bell, letting you know when your girl upload a video. You'll be notified. Forgot that part. But yeah, thank you all for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye.